If you're looking for the next big thing in AI software, Hercules by TestZeus might be exactly what you've been searching for. In this review, we're breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just-released software that promises to revolutionize the way you work with AI. First, let's talk about what makes Hercules by TestZeus stand out. This software leverages cutting-edge AI technology designed to simplify complex tasks and automate your workflows. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or just someone looking to stay ahead of the curve, Hercules can save you tons of time by streamlining processes that once took hours. Now, one of the biggest selling points of Hercules is its ability to integrate seamlessly with a wide range of platforms. If you're familiar with AI tools, you know that integration is key. Hercules has a smooth API that connects with popular tools across industries, allowing for a truly unified experience. Whether you use it for digital marketing, project management, or content creation, it fits right into your existing ecosystem. A standout feature of Hercules by TestZeus is its powerful data processing capabilities. If you need to analyze large amounts of data quickly, Hercules is built for speed and efficiency. With AI-driven analytics, it provides insights that are actionable in real time, which is crucial for making data-driven decisions without the delay of manual analysis. What about user experience? Hercules offers a clean, intuitive interface that's simple to navigate, even for beginners. There's no steep learning curve, and that's a huge win for anyone who doesn't have time to fiddle around with complex setups. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, you'll appreciate how quickly you can get up and running with this tool. For those of you who are cautious about AI tools being too rigid, you'll be glad to know that Hercules allows for a high level of customization. From content creation to AI-driven automation, it offers flexibility so you can tailor the software to meet your specific needs. This adaptability makes it ideal for anyone looking to fine-tune their AI experience. Another thing I want to highlight is Hercules customer support. In the world of AI tools, good support can be a game changer, and TestZeus doesn't disappoint here. They provide fast, responsive customer service to make sure you get the help you need when you need it. With a dedicated support team available to troubleshoot and guide you, you're never left in the dark. But here's the kicker. Hercules by TestZeus is completely free to try through the first link below. So, if you're curious and want to see how it can benefit your workflow, there's no risk in giving it a go. It's one of the few AI tools I've found that offers such a generous trial, and I highly recommend taking advantage of it. Before we wrap up, remember that I've tried thousands of AI tools, and in the description I'll link to other AI software options that you can try for free. These are tools that I've personally tested and recommend, so feel free to explore them after checking out Hercules. Hercules by TestZeus could be the breakthrough AI software you've been waiting for. It's fast, flexible, and packed with features that can help you level up your digital workflow. Try it for free and see for yourself what it's all about. Thanks for watching.